Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font color or recolor text in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this edit option, and this left side here you will find this edit text option. Select this text. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor, select text or press Ctrl F4 to select whole text box. And this right sidebar top here you will find this properties option, select, and this color option, click this arrow. There are many kinds of color. Also you can add color pen, this custom color option as a default standard color, and see the text color now change. You can click on this text box, this color, more color option, theme color. See this text color and this custom color, different color, and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can change text color or recolor your text. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.